Siamese cow, just watch old bandit run.
God, wait till I tell the story about the girl I dated, like, in between the two weddings. I mean, she was fun. Like, she was nice. She had two super cool little girls around my kid's age. And, we, of course, just got them together right away. But I mean, I just treated it more as like I met her. She had kids. It was around Thanksgiving. Like, hey, why don't you guys just come over? We're not having Thanksgiving dinner together, but like we all have to eat, right? It's Thanksgiving, but it's not Thanksgiving. And I don't know, maybe that sent the wrong impression. Maybe she'll see this and reach out. I don't know. But I liked her. We played music together. She was Mormon or Jack Mormon or no longer Mormon. I don't quite know how, wears like the white undergarments, but doesn't follow the rules of the church, I guess. That was my understanding. But she just came in too hot. Little bit too, I don't know, abandoned by the family. I mean, she wanted to get me back to Utah after knowing her for like 2 weeks. I had to run. I had to run away. It scared the living hell out of me. And as I was trying to run away from that, my sister, her friend calls me and says, I hear you're dating so-and-so. Like, yeah, not really. But yeah, we've seen each other a couple times. And she pleaded with me not to harm her. Really, my sister's friend from high school, she's like 5.5 years, 6 years younger than me, pleading with me not to harm her, not to hurt her. And I think I remember telling her, like, you got to rethink what you're doing here. Like, I am scared to death of that girl. I am not going to harm her. I'm just going to not talk to her anymore. She will not stop talking. She will not, she doesn't listen to a word anybody else says. And, yeah, that shows up pretty quick. That's just why I'm not ever going to, I'm done with relationships. Totally 100% done. I've had all the sex I'm going to have. I've dated all I'm ever going to date, and I'm okay with it. I am. I'm totally okay with it. I guess that's how damaged I got from that level of betrayal. When you get betrayed, as deeply as I was betrayed, for as long as I was, how can you not? And really, we're just kind of right in the middle of a war right now. A war in so many ways that, does it make sense? Does it make sense to, how do we get over that? I'm seeing people online right now post a lot of, love messaging and caring about one another and yada, yada, yada. But they were the same people who, every once in a while would throw out just a really slanderous, name call that we've all heard. It's just, it's old now. I mean,